Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best Samsung Z Fold 4 cases 2022 right now you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Small improvements in design and execution result in cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 that are significantly superior than those for the previous generation. In order to prevent cases from coming off and leaving your phone hanging, or worse, tumbling face first to the ground, cases that protect the outer hinge are much more common, and adhesives have either been shifted or improved. Here you'll find a case that fits all types of owners, from stylish cases that look as good as they function to tiny tanks to protect your Android phone. Browse the top Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases and protect your foldable instead of leaving it exposed and scared. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung Z Fold 4 cases right now, so let's get started. 5. I Blazon Cosmo. In addition to having a distinctive marble design and a feminine appeal, the Cosmo series also offers the best clear Galaxy Z Fold 4 cover. When the case is closed, a rotating flap hides the Fold 4. When the case is open, the spinning flap acts as a grip and conceals the elegant S Pen Fold edition so you never lose it. Every time you pick up the phone or open/close the phone, you can see whether the pen is in or out because it is transparent. $50 is a premium value selection, but in this case, value for the money is more important than extremely low prices. This case will not only showcase your Galaxy Z Fold 4 but also effectively protect it from drops up to 10 feet. 4. RINGKE Slim. Clear cases enable us to display the hues and patterns of our preferred smartphones, but clear Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases typically have additional challenges to overcome. There are fewer design alternatives and more specific requirements for adhesive types and placements. The RINGKE Slim solves these difficulties nicely and provides options in clear and matte clear. The Fold 4's traditional clarity exposes every curve and intricate design, but it may also make every fingerprint mark and piece of pocket lint that manages to get inside visible. On the other hand, matte clear hides the finer characteristics of the phone as well as any scratches or dings your Fold 4 may have accumulated before you covered it with a case. 3. SUPCASE Unicorn BEETLE Pro Rugged. Without a doubt, this is the most protective Galaxy Z Fold 4 case available right now. With a 20-foot impact resistance and strong bumpers around the screens and cameras, the Unicorn BEETLE Pro series has been known to survive motorways, lawnmowers, and some magnificent manifestations of Murphy's Law. While many cases make use of this S Pen slot design, I really like how SUPCASE positioned a window in the center. Without having to open it, you can see or feel the S Pen, and it acts as a push point to remove it. This allows SUPCASE to make the grips that hold the pen in stronger and longer lasting. 2. SPIGEN Slim Armor Pro. Although SPIGEN offers a wide range of Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases, the Slim Armor Pro stands out as the best overall case because to its solid degree of protection and established track record. This cover offers a pen slot that is not directly in the center of the Fold 4's back while it is in tablet mode, making it heavy-duty without becoming a tank like some of its rivals. There is no denying that the price is exorbitant, but SPIGEN is attempting to lower it with the help of discounts and coupons. 1. Samsung Leather Protective Cover. Samsung's leather cover still uses genuine leather for their premium covers, even though most leather cases these days are actually polyurethane. They call it vegan leather. The Fold 4's cover keeps things understated and respectable without adding weight to your already substantial flagship. This year, there are just 2 color options available to us, black and gray-green, which is unfortunate. However, these hues are at least modest, and it feels excellent in the touch. An ivory or cream colorway to match the beige Galaxy Z Fold 4 would have brightened things up. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Z Fold 4 cases right now. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.